Hey there! Did you know that Africa's glass manufacturing industry is undergoing a major transformation? And at the heart of this change is something you might not expect: limestone grinding mills. These powerful machines are turning raw limestone into the perfect material for glass production. Imagine this. We're talking about grinding limestone into superfine powder. This powder becomes the essential ingredient that gives glass its strength and clarity. For African glass factories, this is a game changer in so many ways. First, it means they can use local limestone resources instead of importing materials. That saves huge amounts on transportation costs and supports local economies. Second, these modern grinding mills are incredibly efficient. They can process large quantities of limestone while using minimal energy. In regions where power supply can be challenging, this efficiency makes all the difference. The quality of the ground limestone is consistently high too. We're talking about uniform particle sizes that make for better glass quality. No more inconsistencies or defects in the final glass products. African glass manufacturers are now producing clearer, stronger glass than ever before. Think about all the applications, from construction glass to bottles and containers. Even specialized glass for automotive and industrial uses is now within reach. But here's what really excites me: the environmental benefits. By using local materials, we're reducing the carbon footprint of glass production. Less transportation means fewer emissions crossing continents. The grinding process itself has become cleaner and more sustainable. Modern mills come with dust collection systems that protect workers and the environment. Water usage is optimized, and waste is minimized throughout the process. For factory owners, the return on investment is impressive. These grinding mills pay for themselves quickly through cost savings. The improved glass quality commands better prices in the market too. Workers benefit from safer, more modern working conditions. The skills developed in operating these high-tech machines are valuable too. We're seeing new technical training programs spring up across Africa. Young engineers are getting hands-on experience with world-class technology. This isn't just about making glass. It's about building expertise. The ripple effects extend throughout local communities. More stable factory operations mean more consistent employment. Better glass production supports construction and manufacturing sectors. Even consumer goods become more affordable with locally made glass. Looking ahead, the potential is enormous. As African economies continue to grow, so will demand for quality glass. These limestone grinding mills position local manufacturers to lead that growth. They're not just keeping up with global standards, they're setting new ones. The technology continues to evolve, becoming even more efficient. We're already seeing smart monitoring systems that optimize performance. Remote diagnostics help maintain equipment without costly downtime. For any glass factory considering an upgrade, the timing is perfect. The support infrastructure for these mills is now well established. Technical expertise is readily available across the continent. Financing options have become more accessible too. So whether you're in Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, or anywhere in between, the opportunity to transform your glass production is right here. It starts with that simple but powerful process: grinding limestone to perfection. And that's how African glass is making its mark on the world stage.